Hello, I'm Louise from the Cotswold Sewing School and I'm here with Just Fabrics today to show you how to insert a pom-pom trim. We are ready to position our pom-poms. There is a little bit of a stretch on the pom-pom braid. So when positioning it, you are going to want to ensure that it's straight but not overstretched. We are only attaching the pom-poms to the sides of our front panel. And the only other thing to mention is you really do want to make sure you have an even amount of pom-poms on either side, so you've got the symmetry. And also, when you're positioning your pom-poms, just ensure you don't have one sat on your seam allowance. Once measured and you're happy with the position of the pom-poms, you can now pin them so the edge of the braid is against the raw edge of your fabric on the right side of your fabric. Once you've done this side, you repeat exactly the same, making sure you've got the same amount of pom-poms on the other side. Because primarily this is a tack stitch, we are simply just securing the pom-poms in place so that they don't move when we sew all of the panels together. And just keep an eye on ensuring that the trim itself stays straight and the edge of the braid is against your raw edge of your cushion panel. Once you've done this side, you repeat exactly the same. Our pom-poms are attached and we are ready to sew our panels together to create our finished cushion cover. Before we do this, it's really important to remember to open our zip halfway so that when we have sewn it together, we can turn it the right side out. Now that the zip's open, we are going to line up our cushion panels and it's going to be raw edge to raw edge. And when you're happy with the position, you're going to pin them together. Just be aware that with the bottom edge, you want to keep these seams flat. So it's like you're dealing with two flat panels of fabric again. Once we've pinned our panels together at the sewing machine, I'm going to keep the adjustable zipper foot on to sew together our sides of our cushions. The reason being, that foot will get my needle very close to my pom-poms themselves. So I'll get a lovely straight close stitch, but I don't have to worry about going into the pom-pom itself. When it comes to sewing the top edge, I will switch back to our standard foot, which is a zigzag foot, just to do our straight edge. Now our cushion cover is almost complete. We are going to zigzag stitch our panels together. Obviously, if you've got an overlocker, then you can just use your overlocker for this. And once we've zigzag stitched right around the three edges, we are then going to cut off any excess seam allowance just to remove the bulk. We now get to turn it the right way out and pop our cushion pad in. And now you have a cushion cover with a pom-pom trim. I really hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you have, please like and subscribe below. If you fell in love with this fabric or you'd like to have a look for any other fabrics for your projects, then please head over to Just Fabrics. And if you're interested in any soft furnishing courses, then please head over to the Cotswold Sewing School.